Is Ariel laundry detergent just a simple soap? No, because Ariel is the product of the global economy. Also, Ariel laundry detergents is made by the company Procter and Gamble. So its ingredients come from different parts in the world. Like for example, some chemical from China, natural oil from Malaysia, and packaging materials from Thailand. Moreover, after production, it is sold and distributed in many countries like Philippines. Lastly, they show how one simple product connects in many countries. That is called global economy, where the products are made through worldwide connection. One product, one world.